Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Special Binomial Products Worksheet. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about binomial products. Enjoy. And the next slide has the next three verses, and here they are. Now let's look at the worksheet on the next slide. So here we have 12 questions on the expansion of special binomial products. I'll leave this slide on for a while, give you a chance to do these examples, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Now, after that, I'll move on to the next slide that contains all the answers, and you can check how you went. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, which has the answers. Remember, you're able to pause this slide for as long as you like. So here are the answers, and that gives you an idea how you went. I'll leave it on for a short while before I move on to the next slide. Okay, you can pause this slide for as long as you like, but I'll move on to the next slide now. So Maths with Jacob has tried to integrate mathematics, English and music by introducing the rap song about binomial products.